Hi folks, welcome to my channel. My name's Jordan and along with my little dog Jessie, we are exploring the Scottish countryside in my little white van. So today we are going to take a little look at how I use my Fiat Doblo Maxi van as a camper. Just before we start, I want to make it clear that this is not a conversion video. This is not an Instagram van. I have spent around about £250 altogether, which includes all of my kit and everything I need to head off for a few nights in the wild to explore and enjoy Scotland. So as mentioned, the van is a Fiat Doblo Maxi 71 plate. I've only had it for a few weeks now, and you'll see that it is a standard panel van which has been carpeted in the back. I've also spent some time dark staining all of the wood to get a nice dark effect on the panels themselves. My sleeping mat. So it is the Berghaus. It's the Burgers. Never say that word. Hold on. Off, Jessie. Off. How thick that is compared to the dog. This is just a single. It was go outdoors. It was £99, but 100% worth the investment. It's a dream to sleep on. So let me show you how I literally convert it into cooking mode. It's going to be quite tricky with one hand, but you'll see here there's a board, and that sits okay. Another essential for me was a toilet. To be honest with you, it's the most basic toilet in the world. It's got some blue stuff in it. Do your business, pull the handle, midges everywhere, man, and it's got a flush in it too, which is pretty cool. Only to be used in extreme circumstances. Okay, then I've got one of these, and that sits at the back next to the toilet, and this is just literally cooking stuff, bits and bobs. So plate, this is my urban foraging box. So basically, whenever you go out and about, grab what you can from these shops. Jams, butters, honey, and whenever you have a Nando's or a takeaway from Nando's, when you collect it, say the person's eating it is absolutely addicted to sauce, can you have as many as you can? And they give you handfuls of them, and they're really cool to add to chicken and rice and stuff like that, and have yourself a little Nando's whilst you're on the road. What else we've got in here? So we've got toilet chemicals at the back. Probably don't need to put them in there, to be honest with you, because once you filled it up, it lasts most of my camping trips for 1 or 2 nights. Kettle, saucepans. That's a paraffin lamp at the back, which is just in case of emergencies. Got that on Amazon for about 13 quid, and the paraffin was the most difficult thing to find, but managed to find it in a hardware shop. It's not for burning indoors, so it's only for outsides really and emergencies. And then cooking wise, I've got the OEX. Do you know what? I don't know any of these names, but it's the stove, OEX Herio stove, I think, solo stove or something like I'll show you that in a minute anyway, because I'm going to use that this morning. Gas I keep in there as well. Gas for the cooker. I've also got a canister cooker. Loo roll, and coffees are in this kit. That's basically everything. Oh, and saucepans. Oh, and this is pretty cool as well. I really like this, but it's a quite a small, heavy pan, which is quite cool. Doesn't move off. So that just clips into there like that, and then it's got a little key on here to adjust the flow of the gas, and then that just sits on top of the gas. Give it a turn. And then that's it, that's good to go. It's got a self-igniter button there as well, self-ignition. So that's how I do my coffee in the morning. So there we go, folks. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. If you haven't already, please do check out my other videos on my channel. And if at all possible, if you've liked what you've seen today, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you are notified as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you very much.